In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Salesforce Trailhead Playground org. Whether you're wrapping up a project or simply tidying up your Trailhead dashboard, removing unwanted playgrounds can help keep your workspace organized and efficient. So let's get started. First things first, you need to log into Trailhead by heading over to Trailhead. Salesforce.com. Make sure you have your login credentials ready as you'll need them to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your progress, modules, and any of your current or past projects. Next, you want to click on your avatar, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. It's usually a small circular icon that might contain your initials or a silhouette of a person. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select Hands-on Orgs. This option will take you to a page that lists all the Trailhead playgrounds currently associated with your account. Now, let's locate the specific playground you want to delete. You'll see a list of all your playgrounds along with some details about each one. Scanning through this list might take a moment depending on how many playgrounds you have, but once you've found the one you want to remove, focus on it. Next to each playground, you'll notice a small disconnect option. Go ahead and click on disconnect next to the playground you wish to delete. Once you've clicked disconnect, you're almost done. However, to ensure you don't accidentally remove the wrong playground, Salesforce will ask you to confirm your action. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to disconnect and delete this playground. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct one. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. And just like that, your chosen playground is removed from your account. This action will declutter your Hands-on Orgs page, leaving you with only the playgrounds you truly need. It's a straightforward process, but makes a significant difference in keeping your Salesforce environment clean and easily navigable. So there you have it. A simple yet essential task that can enhance your Salesforce Trailhead experience by keeping your environment streamlined and manageable. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your Trailhead playgrounds. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the resources available on the Trailhead site or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great time exploring Salesforce Trailhead.